In a quiet forest, scientists discovered trees whispering secrets through their roots. These ancient giants, connected by a vast underground network, shared nutrients and warnings of danger. One day, a researcher noticed a peculiar pattern. The trees seemed to be plotting. As he dug deeper, he realized they were communicating with something beyond the forest. Suddenly, the ground trembled, and a hidden passage revealed itself. Inside, a forgotten civilization thrived, nurtured by the trees' wisdom. The trees weren't just communicating, they were guardians of an ancient world. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.